In this review, we have UV smoke fluid. This is going to be insane, just in case you have those really tiny punctures in your air line, or you might have it in your exhaust line. Really tight, really small, and you can't see the smoke right here. Just get your UV light and go ahead and do what you got to do. This is non-toxic, fluorescent, high smoke, happy alley. In today's feature, we will be using this smoke detector because somebody else is using my other smoke detector. Take this off. Get my razor blade and put a little slit through on here. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. The only thing that is on is my garage light. I will turn it off if it keeps affecting us, but this is a UV light right here. I haven't reviewed this yet, but here's a review for it. So right there, you can see how green it is. All right, you guys, so we are going to come down to the end of this product. I have to say that this product is awesome, you guys. Now, the key to this product is not so much the smoke turning color, it's the residue that it leaves. Okay, so that's the purpose of this. Smoke, fog, whatever it is, it leaves a residue because it's liquid, right? So the more smoke you have or the more fog you have in any situation, it leaves dampness behind. And when it leaves dampness behind, it will leave the UV color behind it. So I did an example already. We already put it in the back of the exhaust, but I'm going to show y'all what I'm talking about. All right. So right now I'm going to turn the lights off. All right. So when you turn the lights off, you see that? So you can see residue left behind. I put it on the back of the exhaust. All right, you guys, so you see the exhaust, and right here, you see it left residue right there. So that's the goal, to leave the smoke on, leave it on for a while. And then once the smoke comes out of whatever hole it is, it should show you where the residue at. All right, you guys, so we do have a leak on our manifold. Between the manifold and the exhaust right here. It's on the back side, so you can't really see it from here. The good thing about this product is that the smoke is very thick, and with it being thick, you can actually see where your puncture is, whether it's on your evap system, fuel system, turbo system, intake system, cooling system, exhaust system, vacuum system, and your superchargers. So basically this will cover anything that's leaking. Again, keep in mind, you're not looking for color of smoke. You're looking for the residue that it leaves behind. Other than that, it's fine for me. Again, the smoke is thick. Now, make sure you are in a ventilated, well ventilated area. It does says non-toxic, but this stuff stinks, you guys. And that will be y'all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.